Welcome to my channel. My name is Little Boy, and today I'm gonna share with you the most helpful shortcuts in Final Cut Pro so you can speed up your workflow and edit faster today, right now. Just make sure that you grab a pen and a paper and make some notes. It's gonna be very helpful and stick in a place that you're gonna be able to see every time that you edit. Trust me. P, and you're just gonna drag it down. Command Z if you wanna go back. Command R, you're gonna see the time speed. Shift B, and you're gonna be able to control the speed of that area. Select the area and press Option G to create a new compound clip. Or you can select the area that you want to, and you are able to have a flexibility with your volume. Or press R, and you're gonna go to the area that you would like to delete. Ctrl Shift S, and it's gonna detach the audio from your video. Shift H, and you're gonna be able to hold. Same thing for audio, Shift 8, and you're gonna be able to hold. If you wanna freeze the frame, press Option F. If you wanna copy the file, just hold Option and drag to the side. To select everything, press Command A. B, you can cut, and T, you're able to change the time, but doesn't affect the position of your file. A to go back to select mode. Option C to add captions. Command T to apply a transition. Command 7 to open and close the video scope. Command 5 to open and close the effect tab. And Command 4 to open and close the color spectre. After you apply effect, Ctrl Shift R to be able to renderize. So pretty much when I start my editing process, I import the file here and I start with the shortcut I, spacebar, O, F. This way I can just select my favorite areas that I want to work later. Then at the end, I just need to press Q. The other way that you can use here as well is L, K, and J to bring it back. And if you press 2 times L, it's gonna go 2 times faster. 3 times faster. K, stop. J, 2 times. Very, very good for you. Or the other way that you can do is I, spacebar, O, and Q, and it's gonna drop down as well. And after the project's done, Command E to export your project. Every time that I edit, those are the shortcuts that I do all the time. Let me know in the comment down below what are the shortcuts that you use the most. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something today. If you like cinematography and tutorials like this one, please give a like to this video and subscribe to this channel if you would like to learn and improve for 2020. This is the channel.